Well, hello everyone. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I thought I would let you hang with me for today. Doing a few things around the house. Trying to tie up some things that I have been putting off for a while. And I thought I'd just let you hang with me. Also, a company reached out to me to take a look at some bedding. When I come to you with products or home decor, I'm just giving you ideas of what you can use in your home. And I get many requests to do reviews, but I pick what works for me in my home and also what I think you will like. So we are in holiday mode. I am trying to get my home ready for the holidays, and this product here I actually used in my one of my son's rooms. He is still here in the house. I have two sons that are adults, but they're still here in the house because they're going to the local college here. And so I wanted to do a little something in his room. I hope it is clean, but I'm going to show you his room as well. But first off, I'm going to work on some paintings. You may remember them. I've had them for quite a while that I have picked up thrifting, and I will show you the ones that I did that I just recently picked up at our community garage sale. So we're just going to jump right in. Now, I love taking thrifted pieces, garage sale pieces, and changing them up a bit to make them my own. Now I'm showing you a pic, the before of some pictures that I recently picked up from my local neighborhood garage sales a couple of weeks ago. We had it. They were painted, the frame was painted to white, and I did not want them white. I wanted them a brown color, and this is how they look now with the brown frame. So much better. I'm sure you're getting a little glare from the light that's coming in. I'm out here on my back patio. I've cleaned them up. They have been painted, and I'm loving them in this color. Now my plan is, I have two options because I did something else a couple of weeks ago. I plan to hang these on each side of my fireplace in my bedroom. So we will see. Now I'm about to finish up working on some other pictures that I picked up a while ago from my local SPCA thrift. And when I picked them up, I did have in mind that I was not keeping them. I was going to gift them. But I knew I needed to do a little work on them. And I've been doing a little work on them here and there. So let me put them up here on the table and finish them up, because I will see the person today that I'm gifting them to, so I can hand them to her. And I know she might want me to come and hang them for her, my hubby and I. But I do want to give them to her today. Alright guys, here they are so far. I ended up painting the metal here to this, I'm not going to say like a bronzy, it has like a little silver and bronzy tone to it. This was like a lavender tone, as well as this was a lavender tone. And we did not like that. I didn't like it. She didn't like it. So I painted those two, just using spray paint, Rust-Oleum, and then I used craft paint here. Of course, taped it off, and you can see the tape is, I'm removing the tape here. What I want to do here, I just want to take a little brown paint here and there on a sponge brush and just tap it a little bit, not much, to give some little details here and there. And then I'm gonna have to dig into my hubby's, and I really don't have to do it, but we'll see. I want to dig into my hubby's paint kit with a thin brush and take some of that brown paint and go through the little cracks here and there just for the details on it. And guys, they look amazing already. I have another one over there as well, and I cannot wait to give them to her. And like I said, I'm sure she's gonna want my hubby and I to come hang them, but I just want to give them to her tonight. And maybe we'll go over there another time, so we're going somewhere else tonight, but I'll go over there another time and put them in place for her. Alright, so you're just gonna watch me finish this up right now. Alright guys, I'm taking a sponge brush and this brown paint that I picked up from Walmart, 50 cents guys, not expensive at all. By the way, if you don't remember, I paid $15 for both of these artwork pieces, alright? I snagged them up right away, alright? Right now I'm out of paper plate, so I'm going to use this paper bag. I'm not putting that much on. I'm not putting that much on here anyway. I'm going to just lightly tap the paint and tap it on here. Alright. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it like this. And just go around it, just give it a little detail here and there. Does not have to be perfect. Just to give it a little depth. Heavy-handed, or you can get light. Some I will do light and some I will do heavy. So guys, I'm going to continue on. Then once I finish, I will let you see the finished product. Alright guys, and here's the finished product. I am loving it. I decided not to go into the cracks here. I don't think they need it. But I love it. I love it. I love it. And I know she's going to love it too. Or love them too. Beautiful. And again, like I said, just some spray paint that I already had. And the craft paint that I already had. $15 for these two art pieces here. Just beautiful. Alright guys, I have the pictures up here in my room. You will not see them up in this video, but I just brought them up here just to see how they would look with my fireplace there and with the chairs. And you can see how beautifully that teal color picks up on those chairs. Now I'm going to show you what I did previously before I found those. I went and purchased these long mirrors, and I found them for $3 at Home Depot. And what I did, I glued some sconces that I had on them and placed a teal candle. And they need to be clean, guys, so you see little marks here and there, but that was an idea that I had too. So I undecided on which set I want to use in my room. So let me know what you think. Should I use the mirror there, or should I use these pictures? All right, we are finally in my son's room. This is my third son, DJ, Double D. You gonna say hello to the people?
What's up, everybody? How you doing?
Like I was telling you, I'm gonna do a review on some bedding that I received, and he actually tested it out. He actually opened it before I wanted him to. He was all excited about getting the new bedding, I guess. Right? You guess?
I don't know.
So how was it to you? How did it feel to you?
Honestly, I enjoyed it a little bit more than what I was actually sleeping on, so this being a little bit more comfortable, I'm with it.
Oh, good. So let me show them your bedding. Okay, it is in a charcoal color. This is a twin size, so it came with a comforter and sham only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I do need to go look for a bed ruffle. That's if he wants one. It looks like it needs one. But I'm loving the material. The material of this is really soft. I think it's perfect for like college dorms, you know, kids in college or teenagers. This is perfect for their room. And you like it, right?
Yep, I'm enjoying it.
Okay, so that's all that matters there. To show you briefly a little bit of his room and what he is into, guys. He and my baby boy. You see all of that? That's a whole nother topic there. Funko Pops. But yes, this bedding, he loves it. I like the look of it myself. Information about this company and this comforter will be listed in my description box down below. He loves it, guys. Well, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me today. Like I said, I was just tying up some things, some projects that I had been putting off here and there. I hope it inspires you to do the same. We are fastly approaching those holidays. But if you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.